How to set up and use offline maps on Google Maps. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to set up your offline Google Maps. Now let's just jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is have the Maps application on your device and open it up. Once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. And usually Google Maps will automatically set up a local offline map so that it's easier for you when you travel locally around your area. So what you basically do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. From there, you can find offline maps right over here. Just tap on it, and then as you can see, it has already stored a local offline map for my area. I can just tap on it and it will show you the entire area for your offline map. You can tap on update to update the size of the map, and you can also delete it if you want. Tap on the pencil icon at the top right to change your map's name. And once you have done that, you could also select your own map. So if you go back, tap on select your own map, you can easily select the area where you can save your offline map. So if I want to save an offline map from somewhere else, I can just go ahead and find the location. And then let's say if I want to select offline map for this area, I can just zoom in, select the area, and then you can just tap on save. And tap on download, and it will be up to 45 MBs, and it will automatically download other offline maps for you as well. So you can set up as many offline maps as you want. The bigger area that you cover, the more space it's going to take. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.